up? This is going to be the Green Rhino carpet cleaning episode, and we're going to be doing some chairs and some wool rugs in this wine home, country home. And they have a wine tasting on the property, plus they got winery and all that stuff. You know, the furniture and rugs are in pretty bad condition, so I'm here to give them a little bit of life. I'm not going to be looking beautiful again as far as new again, because they're really worn and everything, but we're going to go ahead and do our best on it. I'm going to go ahead and use some Pro Scion for the rugs, since they're pretty heavily soiled, and for the upholstery, we can go ahead with the carpet details, and we'll see when we get there.
There were a couple days where she said she's not going to be in the office, so she got one. So that one bird that you can talk to her about. This is going to be the key here. He is a...
Alright guys, so these are wool rugs, all of them, and there are pet stains throughout the rugs. So I got Wool Zyme for that. You can't use peroxide products or any product that isn't wool safe. This is the wool friendly stamp on there, so you know it's good. As far as effectiveness, you know, it's all we can do, right? So we'll see. I'm going to clean it out. I'm going to use Pro Scion to clean the rugs. It also hits organics pretty good with the Pro Scion. So we'll just hope for the best. And you know, I always let the customer know that ahead of time, when I actually came and did the estimate, what to expect. And they're not expecting miracles, they just want better. That's all. right, guys, so after when I first showed up, none of the rugs have tags on them. So after doing some spot treatment, I'm thinking these things may have some viscose in it, a wool viscose blend. So I did let the customer know that yeah, I'd rather not clean them, and they really need some deep cleaning instead of just a little moisture, which I would regularly do on viscose rugs, and use this product right here. It's for hot water extraction. Well, it's more for rug spa here, but they said, you know what, just go ahead and clean it. They want it rinsed out good, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use some viscose safe cleaning solution here, although it should be done a little moisture, which I always do it. I'm gonna do hot water extraction, and they said if it doesn't turn out good, if it looks dark, there are ways you can correct this stuff too, but I'd rather not have to come back. But they said if it doesn't come out good, they're just gonna get new excuse to get some new rugs anyway, which they really need to. They're way overdue. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and mix some of this up.
Did you say 430?
Yeah. All right, guys, so what I did with this job is I actually boosted my rayon cleaner. This is what you do to fix it. So if you go to a job and you clean a rug and they call you back, it's all browning, you didn't know it was viscose or rayon, and it's all brown, how do you fix it? You fix it with something like this, Prochem Oxy Plus, 10.5 pH, okay? So what it does is it reverses that browning and gets you back to looking good again. So instead of just risking it, I went ahead and boosted. Okay, so hey, it's the first time I did it, guys, and maybe somebody will look down on me on doing that, but you know, it's either they get them clean and they buy new ones or not, right? So I'm just went for it on the first time. So what if I do that to fix it, why wouldn't it work to do the actual cleaning? So that's what I did. I mixed an ounce of this, and customers are very, very, very happy. I mean, more happier than I am, so that's great. So the blood stain came out and everything. I did do a treatment on that, and you know, and there was pet stains throughout there, but they were really, really happy. So that makes me happy. I get stressed out when I run into dilemmas like that. I originally told them I wasn't going to do the job, but they said, you know what, just go for it. If it doesn't turn out, we'll buy some new ones. It's about time. So I just saved them a bunch of money. So all right, well, stay tuned. All right, everything packed in here. I did forget to tell you that being I pumped up the pH like that, I did use a wrench. So yeah, wrenches, acid wrenches to neutralize the pH. Big reason why you don't want to clean wool and stuff with high pHs. If you accidentally do, you need to neutralize that stuff out. We'll save products only, guys. But anyway, viscose. I've been getting so much of this stuff lately, and sometimes it's really hard to tell until you clean it. So if you're new in this business, a good thing to do, guys, is if it doesn't have a tag, just don't do it unless you know how to fix it, right? And I just kind of hipped you to the how to fix a browning. And then you want to get rapid drying time after you clean viscose, so fans on it immediately. I've had a mess up like that happen before, and had to go back, and then the customer was just so happy with the results of it. I mean, somebody went back and fixed it. She's had me back 2 or 3 times for different things. So yeah, it does work. This stuff right here. That's what it's for. It's for browning. So if you ever see a rug, a wool rug or anything like that that has a browning problem, go ahead and mix up your pre-spray with something like this, then neutralize it, and you get rid of those brown rugs. The customers will be really, really happy. All right, guys, out of here.